Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and I do a lot of streaming and a lot of video chats and conferences and things for work. And a lot of people ask me, how do you make your lighting better when you're doing a video conference or a stream? So I want to share two techniques, two different devices I use to improve my lighting. So this is what I look like on camera with no supplemental lighting. And the first thing I do is to use this Elgato key light. This is a small video light. It's really designed for streamers or for people who are on a lot of conference calls and that kind of thing, to just add a bit of supplemental lighting without really blinding yourself. So it's a great light, Key Light Air. You can adjust the color temperature in an app, and it's 1400 lumens, and it's this big light panel. So I'm gonna push the switch on the back here, light this up, and we got a nice big light. It'll take a second to come online, and it'll load up my settings, and it'll start to illuminate me. So you can see I've got a really good quality light coming in now. Now if we look at me on the screen, you can see my face a lot better. I'm a lot better illuminated. Right now there's some natural light, so it's not so terrible, but especially if I'm streaming or talking at night, it's great to have that key light. You can just position that to light you exactly how you want to. And again, you can adjust the settings, get different color temperatures and that kind of thing in the app. So that lights me up reasonably well, but you can see the challenge now is I'm pretty well lit in the foreground, especially if I'm close to the camera. If I've got a product, you know, it's pretty easy to see the product on that stream there. So I'm holding this up. But the issue is the background is still kind of dark. So you can see up in my background there, it's a little bit shadowy. So that's where I bring in my second device. So this is my Novastella Blink floodlight. These are actually designed to be exterior floodlights, but I find it works great to act as a fill light to light up that space behind me. And it's a 25-watt LED, so it's about a 200-watt equivalent floodlight. And I've just got it mounted right here on my desk, kind of offset from me, so I'm over on the side. This is about maybe 5 or 6 feet to my right on a separate desk, and it's pointed at the wall behind me. So let's go ahead and switch it on. There we go. You can see it is quite bright. It's shining on the wall behind me. Novastella sent this to me to check out, so thank you for that. I think this is a different use than is normally intended, but again, this has great app control, so I can dial in color temperature, I can dial in brightness, and really customize my lighting setup. And let's see, combining those two supplemental light sources, how my feed looks. And there we go. I think that looks a lot better lit. I'm nicely lit in the foreground, and then we don't have that lighting contrast. Now my background is nicely lit. Those shadows that were there are totally gone, and it just seems like nice, even, professional looking lighting throughout the scene. And that really makes the quality of my streams and even the quality of my professional video conferences or webinars or whatever I'm doing where I'm presenting, I think look a lot better and a lot more balanced, a lot brighter. You can see me, you can see the products I'm talking about, and those are my two secrets for better lighting, that Elgato key light and that Novastella floodlight combined together to be a key light and a fill light here in my office.